Hello Console. Today's training video is going to show you how to complete a mobile share upgrade in RQ4 on a primary line. So first thing we've got is a customer wanting to purchase a Samsung Galaxy S3 via upgrade. They're currently on a mobile share 6 GB plan, and this is the primary line. I do want to remind everyone that we always change the customer's rate plan to mobile share before completing any upgrades or activations. So if you talk the customer into changing from their family talk, business talk, or individual plans to mobile share, you must make that rate plan change first before completing any upgrade or activation in order for us to receive the correct compensation from AT&T. Let's go ahead and take a look in RQ4 on how to process this invoice for a mobile share primary line upgrade. First thing we need to do is access the customer's account in RQ4, which I've recently done, so I can click on the customer name here in the recent items list. Once their customer profile opens up, I now can click on the new sale icon at the top to open up my invoice. Once that invoice loads, I'm going to ask the customer what brought them into the store today and select that reason. This one we had a new customer, brand new walk-in customer. Once I select that reason code, I can now start adding products to my invoice. Normally I would scan the IMEI on the box, but because I do not have that phone with me, I'm going to find the phone through the inventory tree. So I click on the magnifying glass, open up my activation wizard, go into phones, and I go into smartphones. I'm going to scroll down until I find Samsung. Now I'm going to look for my Samsung Galaxy S3, click on that phone, select OK, and now I'm going to be in the activation wizard. Again, I select the IMEI from the drop down box. If I had scanned this IMEI, that would already be filled in for me. Now I need to select my term, new activation, upgrade, or no contract. This is going to be an upgrade, and it's a standard upgrade, so I'm going to select 2-year upgrade instead of the 2-year national upgrade or early exception upgrade if that was an option on there as well. Now I need to select my rate plan. I'm going to go all the way down past all these different rate plan options for individual, family talk, and business talk plans and get down to my mobile share plans. I have smartphone, basic QMD data, tablet, and gaming. Since the Samsung Galaxy S3 is a smartphone, I'm going to select AT&T Upgrade Smartphone Mobile Share. Once I do that, I need to type in the customer's phone number. And then for the contract number, I'm going to type in pause.com, or I could abbreviate with PDC, would also work in the contract number field as well. Now I'm going to select Next to continue on. It's going to ask me to confirm the phone number that I entered in the activation wizard, which this is correct, so I'll select OK twice. Now I have my device added onto my invoice. Now I need to add my quote-unquote features to this for mobile share. So I'm going to go back to my magnifying glass, go back into the activation wizard, and now I'm going to select features. Because I'm logged into a Texas location right now, I'm going to select DFW, and then I want to scroll down and I'm going to select shared data feature. Every mobile share upgrade and activation always has a shared data feature, first based on what type of device it is, and then the size of mobile share plan. So I have my basic QMD, data, my smartphones, and my tablet. Again, this is a smartphone. We said the customer was on a 6 GB data plan. So I'm going to select the shared data feature, smartphone 6 GB to add for my SDF. I select OK. It asks me to confirm the phone number, which that is correct, so I select OK again. Now I've added my SDF. Now because this is the primary line of a mobile share, I also have to add a shared data group feature. So I go back to my magnifying glass, go back into activation wizard, features, DFW, and now I go down to shared data group. I click on that, and my shared data groups are based on the size of mobile share plan the customer's on. Our customer's on the 6 GB plan, so I'm going to select shared data group primary 1 to 10 GB. It's also going to ask me to confirm the customer's phone number, which is always going to be the same as the number that I upgraded, so I select OK. And now my invoice is complete, unless I needed to add a SIM card, accessories, or potentially I sold the customer a tablet, advanced TV, DSL, or some other type of product, then I would add that onto my invoice as well. If I do need to add any notes to this invoice, I can click on the notes section up here, type in those notes that are pertinent to the invoice, select OK, and now those have been added to the invoice as well for the customer and anyone else to be able to see. I can now move down to checkout, which the first thing I need to do is select the person who's going to earn the commission for this invoice. I can start typing my name and then select my name out of that drop-down box. And then the customer has given me their MasterCard to pay for this new phone, so I select MasterCard. Then I confirm that I charge their MasterCard $216.49. I can now tender this invoice and print a copy of the invoice for the customer and also a copy for my store. I do want to show you what this invoice would look like once it has been printed. I should see my equipment, which was my Samsung Galaxy S3 for $199.99. I see my 2-year standard upgrade. I see my rate plan of AT&T Upgrade Smartphone Mobile Share. And then I see my 2 mobile share features. My SDF, which was the smartphone 6GB, which is on every upgrade and activation for mobile share. And then I also see my shared data group primary 1 to 10GB because this was a primary line. And that is how you complete an upgrade on a mobile share plan when the line is a primary phone number.